Want to know how to choose the right type of flooring for your new home? That's coming right up.
Welcome to Home Buyers School, brought to you by Brookfield Residential.
Hi everyone, I'm Carl Ye. Welcome to another Home Buyer School video, a channel where you get the latest strategies, tactics, and tips from home buying experts. And remember, if this is your first time on this channel and you want to get the latest strategies from the experts, make sure to hit the subscription button below, hit the little notification bell so you don't miss anything. So today I'm joined by Deborah Armstrong, Senior Interior Designer with Brookfield Residential, and the question we're going to answer today is, which flooring is best for me? So Deborah, when you've just purchased a new home, or you're planning to, how do you tell what type of flooring you should use?
Well, we always ask the home buyer how busy of a household they have. Do they have children? Do they have pets? What size are their pets? You know, and then we kind of go from there.
Okay. So let's say, for example, first-time home buyer, probably either with a significant other, but there's only going to be maybe one or two people living inside the home. What kind of flooring would you? Basically,
they can pick anything they want. I mean, they could go with a hardwood, and they could choose either light or dark, because they're not going to have the problems that they would if they had a large dog or children with toys that are going to scratch the surfaces of the floor. Generally, you know, if it's a busy household, you don't want to use a dark stain.
Okay.
Because that shows the scratches more, because natural color of wood underneath is always light.
Is there any type of flooring that is like scratch resistant?
Yes, that would be your luxury vinyl plank or a laminate flooring, where they're a man-made surface and they're very, very durable.
But even, say for example, I have a dog, and my dog chases our cat routinely.
The house,
yes, and you know how if it's flooring, they do that thing with
spinning,
that spinning, and I just look at our flooring. It's like, this is
just trashed, right? You got those nail marks going. That's, I would recommend a luxury vinyl plank. The color goes all the way through, and it is extremely durable for dogs. It's also waterproof.
Yeah. Now, what type is that? Is that expensive?
No, it's less than hardwood.
Oh, it's less than hardwood.
So it's an economical, very durable, and 100% waterproof. So if your dog's having accidents, you're not home, you don't have to worry about it. Whereas hardwood, you would, and the scratches would show.
Oh, okay. So like when you're choosing the right type, you're talking about the staining. Besides the color, does that impact the usability of it as well? The staining of the...
No, staining doesn't affect the usability. Other than lighter stains will hide scratches. So if you are going to get a scratch, you're not going to notice it more on the light. Whereas the dark, you're going to see that scratch. However, there are waxes now, little stain pens that you can try to cover those up.
Okay, perfect. Do you use the same flooring for the entire house?
You can. A lot of people do. It's not recommended, and a lot of people, like we, will not put in tile in bathrooms.
Okay.
A powder room, yes, but not where there's a tub or high traffic, water, you know, things happening there, just because it's just not warranted. If it gets spilled, your hardwood will swell.
Oh, okay. And when you talk about swell, like, do you have to replace the entire floor?
You would have to replace those boards that have swollen. That can be done. We do not recommend, and actually we do not install hardwood in full bathrooms. Powder room, yes, but not a bathroom with a tub.
Okay. And what would your recommendation be for probably one of the most used rooms, the kitchen?
Yeah, we use a lot of hardwood in kitchens. In fact, most of ours are done in hardwood, just because we don't like that transition area now. Most of the kitchens are part of that great room. And you want a nice even flow, make the room look big. If you're really concerned, you do a lot of cooking, you're dropping a lot of things, you can put a nice little runner in behind the island, so it's not so noticeable. We don't recommend breaking it up with tile. It just loses the flow.
Perfect. Well, the question I have for you today is, what type of flooring did you use for your very first home? Let us know in the comments section below. Well, thank you very much for joining us, and we'll catch you next time.
That's another edition of Home Buyers School. Tune in next time for more expert tips and tricks. And visit homebuyerschool.ca to bring you one step closer to finding your dream home. As with everything, it would be great if you like and share our videos. Also, please let us know if you have any home buying questions you want us to answer.